You see, yo, 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 this your boy Joe Chicago, Joe Boy. Right now I'm finna do my I like my women like I like my improv. Sex with me is like blank, blank, blank improv. And the world's worst. Okay, right now I'm finna do my I like my women like I like my improv. I like my women like I like my Oreos, black and white. I like my women like I like my bus, all black and greasy and fast. I like my women like I like my spaghetti, all up in my face. I like my women like I like my oil, all dark and greasy and sexy. I like my women like I like my nachos, all Mexican and zesty. I like my women like I like my hamburger, all well done and greasy and go down my throat. I like my women like I like my Ferrari, all expensive and foreign. Okay, right now I'm finna jump into that. Sex with me is like blank, blank, blank. Sex with me is like a candy bar, cause my old man gave it to me when I was 5 years old. Sex with me is like riding on the CTA. It's dirt, it's nasty, and it's cheap, and it's a bumpy ride. Okay, right now I'm finna get into that world's worst. The world's worst police officer. Hey baby, I can arrest you, but I want some head from you. Hey man, give me $500 and I ain't gonna turn you in. The world's worst firefighter. Oh motherfucker, you can just stay burnt. I ain't coming to get you. The world's worst phone operator. Yeah baby, what kind of panties you got on tonight? Yeah, can I fuck in your ass? Can you bend that ass over? Do you eat dick? Do you mind if you lick my nuts? The world's worst police pizza delivery. Oh, I just ate your pizza. That'd be $1 million. Oh, you stay down here? Can you come on my house and let me fuck in your ass? Can you get out of my face? The world's worst gynecologist. Ooh, this pussy's so good. Ooh, you mind if I lick? Can I stick my hand in there? Can I taste it? What time you getting out? Spread them legs a little bit. Let me suck a howl on it. The world's worst artist. Oh no, I'm drawing on you. Ooh, ooh, look at it, look at it. Ooh, spread them legs real quick. Let me put my hand up in there. Ooh, let me hunt right here. The world's worst taxi driver. Oh, you want to go to K-Town? Give me $5 million. GD's over there. I can't take you that way. I'll get off in 2 minutes. I'm not going that way. Oh no, you want to go here? Okay, give me $1 million. This your boy Chicago Joe. I'm up.